Good day all and welcome back to our channel. So today let's discuss about how to convert lead to opportunity in Odoo 14 CRM. So when you open a CRM module, you can find you can see all the created opportunities which is arranged in different stages, which can be moved from new to qualified, then to proposition and won. So in a business, first step is to generate leads because for an organization to be effective and successful, lead generation and management are crucial. So when you run a business, you can get inquiry about your product and services. So when a customer makes such inquiry, uh, we consider it as our lead. So this lead would increase the probability of making a business deal with customer. So these leads can be transformed to into business opportunity for a company. That is a chance. So and it is accompanied by additional sales processes. So here we can see a menu that is leads. So in order to see this, we have to enable leads in our configuration settings. So here you can see an option feature to create leads. Add a qualification step before creation of an opportunity. So directly we can create opportunity, but it is also possible to create lead. After generating leads, we can convert the lead to opportunity. And okay, so when you enable, then you can see that this menu. So here we can see we can create lead from here by clicking create button. So we have done a video on how to generate leads different ways. So you can check that video if you want to know more about that. So here let's open one lead. So when you open a lead, you can see here some details, and there is an option in order to convert the lead to opportunity. So when you click on this, you can see a wizard came here asking for conversion action. So a lead can be converted to opportunity or merge with existing opportunity. Suppose we have some opportunity already created and we want to merge this lead with an existing opportunity. So when you click this option, merge with existing opportunity, you can see some opportunities, create a date, opportunity name, type, contact name, and some details here can be seen. And we can assign this opportunity to a salesperson and sales team and create the opportunity. Okay, so if I create opportunity by merging with existing opportunity, design software information, you can see here. Here we can add more lines also. Okay, if I'm setting office design and architecture, and I can click create opportunity. And after that, you can see here an option in order to create quotation because the lead is converted to opportunity. So you can see a new quotation can be created, mark as one or mark as closed. Okay, so when you come back to our pipeline, so you can see the opportunities created. And okay, if I again go to leads, and here I again click convert to opportunity. So this is my lead, that is custom desk. And if I click convert to opportunity, here if I choose first option, that is directly convert to opportunity without merging with existing opportunities. So if I click that, you can see we can assign to a salesperson. So it is by default assigned to Michelle Admin, and sales team is Europe. And here I can change the customer. It can be like create a new customer and link to an existing customer. So if you choose second option, you can link to an existing customer. So we have some existing customers like Decorated Jackson Group and IN Company. So you can choose one. or do not link to a customer. If you don't want to link to a customer, then third option can be chosen. So I am choosing the first option, create a new customer and create opportunity. And from here you can mark it as one, lost or new quotation. So if I come back to my pipeline, you can see that opportunity, that is custom desk with the total revenue can be seen here, and which is added to this, that is plan. So in this way we can convert created generated lead to opportunity, and we can also create new opportunity directly from here, directly from the pipeline. We can assign organization and we can create an opportunity by editing this, and here we can add expected revenue of that opportunity, then some contact details like email, phone number, and we can add this, click add, and you can see the opportunity is created.
If you are interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to odoo@cybrosys.com.